Santa's doing backflips. So I'm home for the holidays. I don't know why this is still in my hand. And I feel like things have majorly regressed since I was last in this home. Some of the rooms look really good because they've been cleared out, organized quite a bit. We have some guests staying from Italy. But what happened to all the stuff that was in those rooms that needed to be cleared? Well, here it is. This basement was recently looking in pretty good shape. I mean, the pool table used to be right where I'm standing, and this was all clear. Now it's not clear. It's very much full. A lot of this is like Christmas storage bins that are out because we put out the Christmas decorations. So yes, they're like half empty bins that we'll put away and finish up after the holidays. Also, all of my inventory for my small business, reselling business that I do on this channel has all been moved on here. So like all this with the green tags, specifically, all these bins are storage for inventory. You can see it's not easily accessible. So I definitely feel a lot of things. I feel in some ways good because I'm like, okay, so the rooms upstairs that we wanted to get in better shape are in better shape for the most part, but it just feels like the clutter has just all been contained to one space, and I don't know if that's really good or bad. Feeling a lot of ways. I just had to dig through all of this to find what sold today. Let me show you what sold today. I'm gonna end up packaging all this in a moment. So this little guy, Beanie Baby, it sold for like $5. Beanie Babies really aren't worth much. There's a couple that are worth a lot, but we had so many of these, so I listed them all for like $5, and some people are biting. This CD from a Disney Channel movie from like the 2000s, mid 2000s. This sold. It's the soundtrack. It is slightly scratched, but I did my best to show that in the listing. But it's easy to ship, medium mail. And another medium mail. This Betty Crocker, this is the winner of the day, sale price wise. This Betty Crocker cookbook. It's like a binder type cookbook. I will be shipping these out today, Sunday, as I'm filming this. Realistically, by the time you're seeing this, it's probably 2026. Hello, welcome. The hoarding feels like it's amplified, but I think maybe it's just because it's all condensed in a space. But it's definitely making me feel like I want to list this week. I know it's like the end of quarter 4, but then I can start quarter 1 strong. You know what I mean? Ah! So here's what used to be my inventory room. This has turned into my gift wrapping station. Again, by the time you're seeing this, I'm sure the holidays are over, but it's looking pretty good and pretty empty in comparison to how it was before. But then you also saw the basement. So this is literally all garbage that was just like over time getting collected when I was clearing stuff out. So I'm actually just gonna toss this now. Oh, just more packaging. So I'm guessing I should just move this to the basement with everything else to keep it in one spot. So how I'm feeling right now is a mix of emotions. It's a lot because I feel like in so many ways, I feel like we're going backwards. But it's a process, and I want to be able to like be grateful for how far we've come, the things we have been able to move around. But also, while I'm here for like a couple of weeks at the holidays, I want to try and fix things a little more. So I'm going to go through some of this. I know most of this is holiday, but I'm going to see like what we can use this year, and then maybe a couple days after the holiday I can do the buy nothing page and just clear some of it out. What is the reason we have this? It's like a Santa like gift holder or something. I'm like, what is this? It's like one of those toys. I'm I'm running out of things that are worth something in this house. Oh, it's kind of fun. Santa's doing backflips. Like here, for example, these are all, okay, these 2 things I could probably sell for next year. They're like advent calendars of socks. But everything in this bin is bags, tissue paper, and little boxes for gifts. So like we'll never ever run out. So that's great, I guess. Let's see. I feel like my goal right now is to get like 10 items I can put on the buy nothing page. I just made that up, so like let's do it, I guess. That's kind of cute. I could sell that, but these are like sell stuff, not giveaways. These are holiday stickers, it looks like, for envelopes. This can go in envelopes, okay? What do you mean envelopes? Oh my gosh. Okay, top buy nothing page. Item number 1, going into the buy nothing pile. Warm wishes. Don't care. Item number 2 going to the buy nothing pile. Okay, this is a dog toy. I don't know if I mentioned before, my sister just got a dog. We'll give that as a gift to her little doggy. At least we're finding a use for it. She can take it home and get it out of this house. So I guess glass reindeer. Do we put it on the buy nothing? It's pretty, but like, why am I having a hard time with this? A couple of weeks. Let's make it merry. Okay, like this is broken. This goes into the garbage. Her head fell off. Card. Empty card. Put it in here. Box. Empty box. A box with stuff in it. What are these? Okay. This is like gifty stuff too. It's hard because I had like a death pile, sell pile before all of this was moved out to the basement in my inventory room. And now, I mean, I see stuff around that's from the death pile or the money pile or listing pile, but it's scattered about. No hate to my dad. He's doing the best he can, but it's ruining my process. It's okay. It's okay. Because like this, I want to put in the sell pile, but I don't even know like where to put the sell pile. Or, does that make sense? By nothing. Technically, that's 3. Oops, that didn't sound good. Like twinkle flakes. They're like falling out everywhere. Do you see all the glitter falling? Which that doesn't bother me, but I'm like, I'm gonna put this in the giveaway pile. Buy nothing. That's cute. Okay, why am I holding on to stuff? Just because it's cute. Best friends forever ceramic ornament. Should I give it to my sister? So I'm at 5 items. This is also like something is like broken in there. Like what's happening in there? What is going on here? Buy nothing. Buy nothing page. Adding it to the pile. Let's go. The feelings that this is evoking are stressful feelings. Okay. This was from my dance team. I'll go hang this right up on the cute little holiday pins, like brooch pins. Like, are those worth something? Do I just give them away? Or do I just get overwhelmed and put them back together? Like, for real. This is like holiday hair clips and stuff. Like, what? I think I'll bring them upstairs. But what is going on? This I'll put onto the... Okay, this box, this thing will be the stuff I need to move upstairs and like do something with per se. Like keep-ish. Like this thing I'm saying for the... Like the gift for the dog. 6 items in the giveaway pile. This is ugly and annoying giveaway pile. These are fun and I'll probably put them in a gift. Oh, cute. Okay, so it's a set of 2. So 2 of these are going in the buy nothing. This is such fun memories. I'm gonna keep her for now. What else? The ornaments, it looks like. Little Santa Claus. Oh, whoops, I'm dropping shit. This is like basically nothing. I would keep it for a craft, but I'm gonna throw it away. Garbage pile. My favorite teacher. I'm gonna put that in the buy nothing giveaway pile. Do you see I'm trying to speed through this and I'm having a hard time? Okay, this is a snowman on a beach. I don't care. I'm giving it away. Like, this is heartbreaking. This is where I went to school with Central Michigan mom. She's not even here anymore. This is hard. This is emotional. Okay, I'm going to another bin. And then hopefully when we take down all the holiday stuff, we can fill this one. We'll be able to eventually condense into less bins. So I'm going to cap this bin now. Okay, not sure what this is supposed to be, but it is a dog toy. Also giving that to my sister. Okay, let's get in here. This box is labeled on the side, holiday sales from when my mom used to try and do like Facebook Marketplace sales. So let's see if it's anything worthwhile or anything we could even just get rid of. It's looking like not super full, so that's like making me feel good. Let's see, like so many random snowmen. Like this is just a little dish tray, putting it in the giveaway. Perfect. Okay, see, there's more snowmen. Snowman, cute. Putting it in the giveaway pile. Like I just am over it, you know. I think this is, oh, it's broken. Are we gonna realistically glue it back together? Let's be so for real. Oh, see, it sucks. I hate being wasteful. I hate being wasteful, but like, what are we gonna do with this? Why is it stuck in there? It's not supposed to be forward. What the hell? Okay, we're just throwing it out. We're just throwing it out. I have to just throw it out. Like, do we need these? No. Oh my gosh. Like another mug. Be merry. These are probably just sales from like Kohl's or something we ended up taking. Okay, myself as a child. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the giveaway pile. So that brings us to 1, 2, 3. 3 right there, 3 in that bag. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, at least 11 things. I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna get my phone. I'm gonna post these right now, and hopefully people will pick them up like today or tomorrow. Like, I'm so for real. It's before the holidays when I'm filming, so hopefully that can happen. What's difficult is just that, like, not only is it like there's a sentimental value attached to a lot of these things, it's more so the fact that it's like it gets overwhelming and then you don't even want to touch anything is how I feel often. And like, sound off in the comments if you're going through something similar or you ever have these feelings, but sometimes it's just so much and it's just, it feels like it's too much to like really handle. Okay, make it pretty again so someone will want it, you know. Lots of snowmen going on here. Show it off. Show off what we got here. I just feel like hopefully with the holiday being, I mean, right now it's the 21st, so like still a few days away. People might be having holiday parties and want to pick up some of this, maybe, or need it for a white elephant. I don't care what they need it for, but I want them to take it. So I'm gonna just do a quick little photos here right now. We're gonna hope for the best. I will keep you updated on all of these items. Someone is coming to get these now. Thank God. That concludes this episode of clearing out a hoarder's home, trying to make sense of it all. There's a lot to work through, but one step at a time. So thank you so much for being here. Make sure you're subscribed and do all of those things. And I'll see you in the next one.